Hello everyone. So today I'm going to simply cook recipe which is Bombay Biryani. So I have the recipe for the Bombay Biryani and I have the spices as well for the Bombay Biryani, and whatever I need very small amount of ingredients. I have onions, tomatoes, and I have added some extra peppers, and I have took one bowl of chicken pressed, cut into cubes, and this is only the ingredients I need for this cooking. Okay, first in a pan I'm going to add some oil, in medium flame, and I have my vegetables here. Okay, once the oil is hot, I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to fry the onions in medium flame. Okay, so now as you can see, the onions are golden brown. Now I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to add the garlic paste and the biryani paste. So first, I'm adding the garlic paste. So now I'm going to turn up the flame a bit so that all my garlic and the onions are mixed well. Now my onions and garlic is ready. Now I'm going to add my chicken first. So I have chicken cubes over here. Now I'm going to add the whole of the chicken. So now you have to mix the chicken well with the onions and the garlic. Okay, next I'm going to add the biryani. Now I have added my second container of spice, which is the biryani paste. Okay, now I have also added some green chilies to make it a bit more spicy. Now I'm going to add the tomatoes and some peppers. Now I'm going to mix it well. Then I'm going to add the biryani spice. Okay, once my meat is ready, I'm going to put some yogurt. This is the final step. Now my meat is ready. My rice is ready as well. So now I'm going to layer the chicken on the rice. So now I have done the first layer already. Sorry, I missed recording it, but this is the second layer. I put the rice on top and then some fresh coriander, and then I put the chicken mix I have already made. Now I'm going to add the third layer of the rice. This is the last biryani meat I have. Okay, so now I'm going to stir it very slowly, very slowly, so that everything is mixed well. Okay, my biryani is ready. So my biryani is ready.